Introduction of Philosophy and Literature. Philosophy and Literature, the Basics. Examining how the love of wisdom and written expression define our quest for truth. Philosophy, derived from the Greek words philo, love, and sophia, wisdom, is the study of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind, and language. It involves critical thinking and systematic reasoning to explore the nature of reality and our place in it. Literature, on the other hand, refers to written works, especially those considered to have artistic or intellectual value, that express ideas, stories, and concepts through language. Socrates and the Dialectic Method. How differentiating reflection from sensory experience led to rival schools of thought. As well as pioneering the dialectic method, a form of dialogue and argumentation, Socrates distinguished between knowledge gained through reflection and knowledge acquired via the senses. Although he placed little emphasis on this distinction, it was one that his successors developed into the rival schools of rationalism and empiricism within philosophy. Plato's Rationalism. Positing abstract forms and exalting reason as the sole path to true knowledge. An early form of rationalism, the philosophical view that reason is the primary source of knowledge, was held by Socrates' most famous student, Plato. Plato believed that our sensory experience of the world is deceptive and that true knowledge can be attained through rational reflection alone. He posited the existence of abstract forms or ideas, which are accessible only to the intellect. Aristotle's Empiricism. Championing observation and experience as the core of human understanding. Plato's own most brilliant student, Aristotle, argued the opposite idea, that knowledge is arrived at through observation and experience. This approach became the central tenet of empiricism, the philosophical perspective that emphasizes sensory experience as the foundation of all knowledge. The rise of modern rationalism. Descartes' innate truths and the enduring power of "I think, therefore I am." In modern times, rationalism was revived by philosophers like René Descartes, who asserted that certain truths could be known innately through reason without the need for sensory experience. Descartes famously stated, "Cogito ergo sum," I think, therefore I am, highlighting the role of thought in establishing existence. Empiricism in the modern era. Locke's tabula rasa and the triumph of observation in building knowledge. Conversely, empiricism was advanced by thinkers such as John Locke, who argued that the mind at birth is a tabula rasa, blank slate, and that all knowledge comes from experience. Locke's ideas laid the groundwork for later empirical philosophers and the scientific method, which relies on observation and experimentation. Literature as philosophy's vessel. Preserving and spreading complex ideas through written works across centuries. Through literature, these philosophical ideas were articulated, debated, and disseminated. The writings of Plato and Aristotle, for instance, have been preserved and studied for centuries, influencing countless generations. Literature serves as a vessel for philosophy, allowing complex ideas to be explored, critiqued, and understood across different cultures and eras.